Today here at McKenzie's, we're assembling a reproduction pedestal elephant. We want to show you how easy it is to put this together. There's tubular steel inside the elephant's head. They're straddling the trunk in, and there's two 3/4 inch bolts inside there built in that Ben's tightening now with a wrench. Tighten those two bolts. Actually, one person can do this whole operation, but it's easier with two. That steel runs from the trunk all the way through the head, just about down to the backboard. You can assemble it other ways, but this is the easiest. Next, we're putting the base on. It slides on, and same thing. We're going to tighten the 3/4 inch bolts. Slide all the way on, and that base is approximately 3 feet by 4 feet, and it supports the whole elephant. Also, you notice elephant's on some cardboard so it doesn't get scratched up when they're pushing it around. Now they're going to pick it up. Now it's time to set the ears on it. It's best if you have a ladder, and the ears fit in with a simple pin system. Everything's been puttied. If you notice where the trunk fit together, there's a nice joint there. We have a pin system on the ears, and they've been puttied. And this is the one we're showing you is actually an unfinished elephant. But you can see all the seams are already finished. So this one hasn't been painted. All that's left is for this to be painted. The ears, the fiberglass ears, the pins lock that ear in place. It's a square stock piece, so it only fits one way. There we go. John's going to cheat. He's tall enough. He's 7'3". And there you go. Now let's try want to put the tusks in the elephant. Generally, if we custom fit the tusks, we make 4 different sizes of tusks. We can fit them in for you. They just in assembly, they can just slide up in there. We make a socket so that they slide in foam, and if permanently set up, you can put a screw into the back to hold them into place. But there, pretty quickly, you have a fully assembled pedestal elephant.